In the recent past, I have experienced a change amongst patients coming to me seeking care for pregnancy or pregnancy planning or pre pregnancy optimization. About 2 or 3% of my patients are coming for advice, asking me as to doc, we want to plan a baby, how do we go about it? And what I have found starkly changing in the last 4 or 5 years is that there is a lot of information fatigue that they are suffering from. And this is the result of the fact, and some of them have confided in me saying that, it's been our practice to just go and browse on the digital medium. And then we realize that everything finally ends into something which is very complicating and it is extremely scary, and we become very anxious. And therefore, we have decided not to go to these mediums. And then this started triggering a thought process in my mind as to why we can not do something better here, because information is essential. If you come to know, I always felt that exposure to television, exposure to newspapers, exposure to the digital medium definitely brings about a lot of wisdom. But if this wisdom gets distorted, or if this information gets distorted, then it can also cause a lot of harm. And that can give rise to unnecessary anxiety, and especially in the current social situation where I find the youngsters being very, very emotionally fragile. They lack that emotional quotient, and this emotional fragility then makes them extremely vulnerable to the adverse effects of this wrong given information, which can cause anxiety in their minds. And then I was approached by the Mum Smile people. And what I found most importantly in their attitude towards achieving some such kind of a formula or a product which will be able to contribute to a better pregnancy and delivery optimization. What I saw in it was an opportunity to not only extend this know-how, information and these wonderful technical details that are essential to bring about pregnancy optimization, which I have learned, acquired and experienced over a period of 30 years of my practice, consolidate into something which is wonderful, scientific, based on such a load of experience to women in a capsulated form, which will help them to just use as a refer to medicine, which will not give a soothing experience, but which will also take away all kinds of doubts and will not inculcate unnecessary fear and anxiety. What was very important to me from this entire exercise was that the center of all this particular activity is the woman and her health. And what was also important was this passion was focused not only on her health to deliver babies, but to ensure that she is healthy before she becomes pregnant, she is healthy during the entire pregnancy and the delivery, and she reverts back to a normal health back again. And while she is doing that, there are going to be such wonderful things that she will be exposed to, which will bring about a different evolution of a woman entirely in a different perspective. What attracted me most was that particular focus on contribution towards finally a larger perspective of women's health. It is not about, getting into, okay, we will give you this particular formula at this particular cost. No, it is something which has a holistic approach, which will not only influence this particular generation, but it will influence future generations, because that will not only ensure that this woman is healthy, her baby gets programmed to a healthy environment and will yield a healthy future society. This felt me remember one particular anecdote which my mother told me, that when she was a young woman, she was influenced by one particular author who used to regularly write about adolescent health care, womanhood, sexuality and pregnancies and babies in that time's famous Marathi newspaper. And she told me that my entire generation was influenced by those write-ups. I saw this promise in Mum Smile, that this is a wonderful medium, because today nobody reads newspapers. So, how can we reach out from a structured, well planned, scientific application which can be adopted, adapted, and not only that, it is something which will constantly keep a pace of what is necessary, will have the flexibility to adjust to those needs, and will work on constant impact assessment. So the moment and that flexibility today can be only awarded because of this very flexible digital medium that we have. And these people, we felt the team was very, very wonderful. They never ever spoke about what are going to be the business plans. It was always a talk about what are we going to deliver the best to the women who need this. And the reason, probably I am a very staunch feminist and I always will take side of women. I feel that this particular application would be a wonderful solution to all those issues which are currently rotating around pregnancy, fertility, so many other issues like miscarriages, babies not doing well, unnecessary cesarean sections, difficulties at the time of deliveries. All these problems will be solved through this particular package that we have created.